Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the latest news and developments in Bradford that have been making headlines. From arrests to new projects, there's a lot happening in this vibrant city. 1. Police make arrest following terrifying kidnap in Bradford. Police have made an arrest following a terrifying kidnapping incident in Bradford. The arrest was in connection to a gang of kidnappers caught on CCTV dragging a man into a van in broad daylight. The victim suffered jaw and rib injuries during the abduction on Westcroft Road, Bradford. The arrested 28-year-old man from Bradford is currently in custody, although he has not been charged yet. The other 3 kidnappers involved in the incident are still at large too. Every new Leeds Bradford Airport job opening, including air traffic control and airport security. Based on the provided search results, there is no specific mention of job openings for air traffic control or airport security at Leeds Bradford Airport. The available information focuses on various job vacancies at the airport, including roles in aviation security, engineering, security personnel, kitchen staff, and ground handling. For detailed information on job openings related to air traffic control and airport security at Leeds Bradford Airport, it would be advisable to directly visit the airport's official website or contact their Human Resources Department for the most up-to-date listings. 3. Long-term vision for rail, including new through Bradford Station, set out. The long-term vision for rail in Bradford includes the establishment of a new through station as part of the Network North scheme. The Department for Transport has announced plans to build a brand new railway station in Bradford, connecting rail passengers to more jobs, education, and business opportunities. This initiative is part of a broader effort to enhance transport links, reduce journey times, and stimulate local economic growth in the region. The government's commitment involves significant investment, with plans to provide £400,000 for the local authority to kickstart master planning on the project. The new station aims to support regeneration in the surrounding area, create new homes and jobs, and improve connectivity with neighbouring cities like Manchester via Huddersfield. Additionally, there are ongoing efforts to electrify the Calder Valley line between Bradford and Leeds to further enhance transportation efficiency. 4. Man accused of PC Sharon Bashinski. Murder gives evidence in court as defence starts. The man accused of murdering PC Sharon Bashinski gave evidence in court as the defense phase of the trial began. This development is part of the legal proceedings surrounding the tragic murder of PC Bashinski, who was killed while responding to an armed robbery in Bradford. The accused individual who appeared in court is facing charges related to this crime. The defense phase of the trial involves presenting evidence and arguments to support the accused's position. This case has garnered significant attention and media coverage due to its nature and the impact it had on the community. 5. Question over Bradford Bus Station closure still not answered by authority. The question over the closure of Bradford's main bus station, run by the West Yorkshire Combined Authority, WYCA, remains unanswered by the authority. The closure occurred in early January after a block of concrete from the structure collapsed, leading to safety concerns. Despite the closure and subsequent investigations, there is still uncertainty surrounding the exact reasons for the closure and when the bus station will reopen. The situation has caused inconvenience to commuters, with ongoing efforts to assess the extent of the damage and ensure public safety before reopening the bus station. 6. Bulls blast Bradford Council for lack of Odsal help after Wakefield showway. The phrase "Bulls blast Bradford Council for lack of Odsal help after Wakefield showway" refers to criticism directed at the Bradford Council by the Bulls rugby team for not providing assistance related to Odsal after Wakefield demonstrated a way forward. This criticism highlights dissatisfaction with the Council's support or lack thereof in a specific context involving Odsal, potentially indicating a need for more proactive involvement or collaboration between the council and local sports entities like the Bulls team. 7. Police appealed to find missing 37-year-old man with strong links to Bradford. The police have issued an appeal to find a missing 37-year-old man with strong links to Bradford. Thomas Halmshaw, who is 37 years old, has been reported missing from Plymouth. Authorities are concerned for his welfare, and he was last seen loading items. If you have any information regarding Thomas Halmshaw's whereabouts, please contact the police to assist in locating him. 8. Caravans move onto car park of another Bradford supermarket. Several caravans moved onto the car park of an Asda store in Bradford recently, parking up at the superstore on Rewley Lane. This incident follows a similar occurrence where caravans had previously moved onto the car park of a Morrison store in Bradford. The situation has raised concerns and attracted attention due to the presence of these caravans in supermarket car parks in the area, prompting responses from both supermarkets involved. 9. Plan for West Yorkshire Tram established. The West Yorkshire Combined Authority has unveiled plans for a new mass transit tram system between Leeds and Bradford, with proposals set to be approved this week. The first phase of this project will include 2 lines: the Leeds line, running from St. James's Hospital to Elland Road, and the White Rose Shopping Centre, and the Bradford line, connecting Leeds City Centre to Bradford City Centre and linking Bradford Forster Square Station with the new rail station in the city. This initiative aims to enhance connectivity, boost economic growth, and support regeneration efforts in the region. The plans are expected to be submitted to the government for approval, with construction anticipated to commence in 2028 and completion by 2040. Additionally, there is a possibility of a third line, the Dewsbury line, in collaboration with Kirklees Council to ensure comprehensive mass transit coverage across West Yorkshire. 10. Bradford District Top 100 Business Report to be published to showcase success stories. The Bradford District Top 100 Business Report is set to be published to showcase success stories of businesses in the area. This report, compiled annually, highlights the top-performing businesses in Bradford, providing insights into their achievements and contributions to the local economy. The report aims to recognize and celebrate the success of these businesses, shedding light on their impact and growth within the district. The Telegraph and Argus will publish the full report, offering a comprehensive overview of the top 100 businesses in Bradford and their accomplishments. 11. Coroners officers appeal to trace relatives of 55-year-old Bradford man. The coroner's officers are appealing to trace relatives of a 55-year-old Bradford man who passed away. This appeal is part of the efforts to locate and inform the deceased individual's family or next of kin following his death. The appeal aims to establish contact with any relatives who may not be aware of the man's passing, ensuring that proper notifications and arrangements can be made in such circumstances. That wraps up our exploration of recent events in Bradford. Stay tuned for more updates on this dynamic city. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. Thanks for watching.